Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove a payment method from credit acceptance. We will also put links in the description below for extended warranty and cheap car insurance programs. To start, open the website creditacceptance.com. Then click on Account Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for Pay Online. Click on Pay Online. On the right side of this page, you will see a section for Payment Method. Click on the Edit option beside the payment method you wish to remove. Then an option for Delete will appear. Click on Delete. On the pop-up window, it will ask you if you're sure to delete this. To proceed, click on Yes. And now the payment method has been deleted. That's how you remove a payment method from credit acceptance. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.